This is going to be a tutorial as to how to replace or repair a chain that has popped off a bike. I'm going to respectfully ask everyone to watch this video straight to the end because I just realized that in order to monetize my second YouTube channel, I need 4,000 watch hours across the world, which should be easy. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, so the whole point was that watch this video to the end. Even if you don't have a broken chain,
watch it.
So yeah, just watch so we can get to 4,000 watch hours. Okay, the chain has popped because it's a rusty chain because someone was not properly maintaining their chain. Bring it over here, bring it over here. We're gonna show you, first of all, actually this is kind of interesting. This is where it broke, okay? It literally cracked. So what you need to do is you need to break off the broken chain, the broken link.
That's smart.
But the thing is this, links on a chain are male and female, right? Come here, look, I'll show you. You got the male part that fits over the female part, big part, small part. So if I break off this link right here, it's gonna be small on small. So I gotta break off at the big part so that I can put the big back over the small. You need a chain popping tool for this, but even with it, it's not intuitive as to how you do it. So you put the link in that you wanna break out, right? And you have to then, it's a little vise that's gonna pop out the pin that connects the links.
That's so smart.
It's smart, but the thing is this, even if you know how to do this, if you pop the pin out entirely, you won't be able to get the pin back in to reinsert into the link that you've just repaired. So you don't wanna pop out the entire pin, you just wanna push it out
We have
enough.
a question. What happens if you do pop it out?
Then you have to go to another link and do it again. You cannot put the pin.
But what happens if it just gets too small?
It doesn't get too small. The pin is popping out like this, but if you pop it all the way out, you can never get the pin back in. So you want to go just visually until it almost looks like it's coming out, but not all the way out. Okay. Loosen up, then you have to remove your little vise pin from it, okay? Now, whatever, I'll get that in a second. Now you break off. Oh, I didn't pop it out quite enough, but it'll be better than, so I didn't pop it out quite enough. So this is, by the way, the most frustrating thing in all of biking.
Oh, Ethan.
Dude, you make a better door than a window. Okay, so pop it a little more, but not too far. Okay, unscrew the vise, pull it back out. Now, what you gotta do is I gotta actually pop the pin out of the broken link.
Hey, this is heavy.
Yes, it's a disgusting, filthy, rusty chain. You're gonna wash your hands afterwards. Keep your hands away from your face. Now we're gonna pop the pin out of the broken link because we don't need it there. We need the empty slot. That's what happens when you pop the pin out. That is the pin that connects. It
literally just comes out.
Yeah, and it never goes back in.
How is that possible?
Pandora's box of chains.
But how does it not go back in? How is it made then?
It's physically impossible to get the pin back in.
Do you need a robot?
You need a press. Give me this for now. I thought you knocked the pin out. Your hands are filthy. Go to mom and do not put your hands anywhere near your face or your butt because we will not be able to know if it came from your butt. You don't wipe it on your shirt either. That's not the solution. Okay, just keep your hands down. You'll be fine. Stay here. Okay.
Oh, my arms hurt.
I'm gonna put the male piece back in the female piece like this, and then you're gonna put the pin back in. But if you do it now, you'll have a nice chain, but it's not gonna be on the frickin' bike. Shouldn't swear, I apologize. What you have to do, and this is where you might hear Daddy swear a lot.
Oh boy.
Okay? You need to figure out the way that it goes through the derailleur. So the derailleur arm flexes backwards, and you have to flex it up. And then, this is where it gets really frustrating. Then you gotta flex it under, and then it's gotta go around.
Hey, this looks like poop.
Yeah. Okay, so now it's sort of right. Now it's right. Okay, now it's good. So now it's at least in the right section. Oh, God damn it. Okay.
Partner in crime.
Partner in crime. Only when we start robbing bikes. Okay, robbing. So now, come behind me. Come behind the wheel right here. And just put your finger right here. Hold it up. It's going to want to flex backwards. Okay, see now? Now it's going through the chain the right way. You bring it over the ball, over the last cog wheel there. You bring it around the wheel. By the way, you have to run it through the front derailleur, because if you don't... Okay, so now it's on. Now it's on, people. The chain is on. Now, this is the crux. Now you have to make sure the chain is through the right way. It looks like it is. See, it's got to be... So now the chain is on properly, and this is the problem, by the way. There's tension on both sides, so if you drop the chain, it's going to flip down, it's going to undo everything, and it's going to make you swear in front of children.
Here, I'll hold it so that doesn't happen.
It will still have it in there. Now, okay, what you got to do now is you got to take the female piece and put it in the link where the pin is popped out, but not entirely. Now it's in. Oh, now, let go of that part. Let go of that part. Hold it. Look at it. Pinch it right here, Mila. Pinch the chain right there. pinch it and pull forward so that I have slack. Now, give me this. Now you take the tool, you have to unscrew the pin presser all the way.
Hey,
How's it going?
fixing a bike.
Okay, now you take the pin compressor part, you put on the other side of the pin,
I can't see.
you screw the pin presser down a little bit. Ethan, get that Allen key off the ground and bring it over here, please. Okay, now you take the Allen key and you start, you screw. Okay, once it's in, now you start tightening it to screw the pin back in to the chain. Okay, and you push it in until it goes into the both sections of the pin. Okay, now I'm feeling a little pressure because I think it has to be properly aligned. Okay, that's fine. Okay, and now you push it in, not too much. Unscrew, let go, let go. Hold on, did I do it properly? Okay, dudes, I fixed it.
Anya's ready.
Yay!
That'll be $500. Lawyer rates apply. And that's it. I hope that is going to, it's extremely frustrating. It's the most frustrating thing ever on a bike. And the first time I did it, I didn't know you needed a special tool. So I just popped it out with a nail and then I could never get it back in. I'm sure there's a hack for that, but you need to have the stupid tool. And then even then,
Wait,
it's not
you
easy.
found that stupid tool?
I bought it. It's a bike tool.
Yeah,
It's
but
an
where
alien.
was it? You just found it?
I knew that I had it somewhere in the house. I had just seen it the other day because I was using the knife to shave down the railing that I also fixed. I don't know if anybody has seen that video. That is how you repair a broken link in a chain. I'm gonna go boil these gloves and then burn them and boil my hands and light them on fire.
Okay, let's see if it works. Moment of truth.
And now you can see the fine work I was able to do with the knife on that tool for the bike. You see, I shaved down this piece of wood to get it to align nicely with the railing. And then I put a screw in over here, which cracked through the piece of wood, which was really frustrating. So bike tools are not meant for wood carving.